Hey y'all, I know it's hot outside. It is still summer where I live, and I'm sure it's still summer where you are too. But how about some autumn, fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and even a smattering of Christmas to get you in the spirit of the autumn holidays and a little bit cooler weather. I'm thinking bonfire nights, hot toddies, campfires, s'mores, trick-or-treating, pumpkins, fall festivals, hay rides, Thanksgiving celebrations with friends and family, and yes, Old St. Nick coming down the chimney celebrating the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. I know that you're as excited for the autumn holidays and a little bit of Christmas just as much as I am. Want to see our new catalog so you can get started with all your crafting? Just type catalog in the comments below and I will send it to you. And you guys, I am taking pre-orders, so message me now to get your orders in today. Happy chalking, y'all.